Hi, this is Feroz Khan, your consultant, and in this video I'm going to show you how to get work visa, job visa, also known as the work permit. Known as the work permit. So in order to get a visa, work visa in your desired country, you may need to search a company or the company that is relevant to your jobs and apply for a job to an employer who has a visa sponsorship from that government. So for example, if you're trying to get a work permit or job visa into Germany, you may need to search different companies relevant to your field in that country like Germany, and then you also need to search for very important information. Can or cannot those countries provide jobs and work permits to international people? So for international clients, they will need to have a sponsorship license from the government of Germany. Such thing apply to every country in the world, so they need to have a sponsorship license from the government in order to be able to give jobs to international students. They also sometimes, those companies need to show that they have run some different job ads in their own country to give jobs to their own people, and they were not able to find an eligible and suitable candidate. That's why they are posing these ads to international clients, and they get their sponsorship license through that argument, and the government give them the sponsorship license so they can provide jobs to international candidates like you. And if you are applying, you may need to provide your CV. In that CV, you may need to provide a relevant experience of the job that you are applying for. So you have relevant experience in that job in your country. They may have certain criteria, like you need to show experience of 2 years, 1 year in your home country, and you may need to prove that by the pay slips and service letters provided from your current employer. So these may be the requirements. The second requirement is, of course, your travel document like passport, and also you may need to show relevant academic qualifications or certifications in accordance with your job that you are currently doing and the job that you are applying for, and the relevance between them. So then you may need to attend an interview with the employer abroad, and if that employer is convinced that you are the perfect or at least eligible candidate for that job, he will give you a job approval, also known as a work permit, and using that you can apply for a visa, a worker visa or job visa of that country, and that's how you can get that visa approved. According to that, and in addition to that, you may also need to provide some financial support for yourself or accommodation for yourself. So you may need to book accommodation over in that country if the company is not providing accommodation for you. You may also need to show some financial stability here in Pakistan, and also enough money that you can support your food, travel, accommodation and stuff like that if not provided by the company. And these are the documents and things you need to think about and prepare when applying for work permits and job visas. In order to see such relevant videos and informative information, just click on the subscribe and bell icon and stay tuned. When new videos are uploaded, you will be instantly notified. So keep watching, keep browsing. Have a nice day. Thank you.